Hello everyone, today in this video we will talk about the scholarship opportunities in Cambridge University. We'll quickly go through the video, what is the coverage of scholarship and who are eligible for the scholarship. So Gates Cambridge Scholarship Program was established in October 2000 by an historic donation of US 210 million from the Bill and Melinda Gates Foundation to the University of Cambridge. So Bill Gates and Melinda Gates were the donor of that scholarship. The first class of scholars came into residence in October 2001. Since then, the trust has awarded over 2,000 scholarships to scholars from more than 100 countries. So we'll quickly go through the selection criteria. Outstanding intellectual ability, reasons for choice of the course, a commitment to improving the lives of others, leadership potential. These are the selection criteria for the candidates. You can further take a look here. And the funding, Gates Cambridge Scholarship covers the full cost of studying at Cambridge. It also provides additional discretionary funding. Core components: the university composition fee at the appropriate rate, maintenance allowance for single student up to 20,000 euro for 12 months at the 23-24 rate, pro rate of the courses short than 12 months. For PhD scholar, the award is up to 4 years. So that is the coverage of scholarship: one economy, single airfare, both the beginning and end of the course. They'll also provide travel allowance, inbound visa cost, and cost of the immigration health. So that was the coverage of scholarship. And discretionary component, the trust also consider application for several types of additional funding. Okay, academic development from up to 500 to 2000 euro. Okay, and development children allowance, you can take a look here. Field work and receiving and salary are substantial other scholarship. You are receiving a salary from an employer or have other substantial scholarship, the trust reserves the right to reduce or not pay the standard maintenance allowance. You should let the trust know as soon as possible if you are awarded any funding towards your degree at the Cambridge. Okay, and then how you can apply for that scholarship is simply you come here, apply. Okay, eligibility, take a look here. So who can apply? A citizen of country outside the United Kingdom applying to pursue one of the following courses at the University of Cambridge: PhD, 1 year postgraduate, okay, and current student at Cambridge, general funding. So you can take a look here. And then we'll talk about time criteria as we have here mentioned. So what we are looking for: academic excellence, reason for choice of the course, capacity of leadership, and note on the ratio of PhD master awards. Okay, and then we'll talk about timeline. For the timeline here, we can take a look. So this is the timeline, you can take a look here. Here for specific deadlines and everything mentioned. And now we will go to how to apply. Application procedure, you can take a look here. Combined application form, admission selection, funding section, Gates statement, research proposal, PhD only, Cambridge. So you can take a look here further how to apply, and then you need to click here apply now, and submit your application. Here we take a look how they say that how we select. Okay, so we come here and the process of selection they have mentioned here: departmental notification, nomination, interview, and then you will be selected for the scholarship. So how to apply is you come here and then click on that apply button here, and then you need to submit your application. So here you will select your course and submit your application. If you will have any question related to Cambridge University scholarship or any other question related to application procedure, you can ask me in the comment section. I'll respond to your queries. If you want to hear more about scholarship videos, then kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for your support. Stay blessed, happy, healthy. I wish you best of luck. Thank you so much. Bye bye.